In this video, you will learn how to report interest paid on student loan while using TaxTron Web application. After entering all your income, you will have deduction profile. In this deduction profile, you have second tab of deductions. And in this tab, you have second last question. Last year, were you a student, have unused tuition fees, or paying interest on student loan? You will check mark this question, click next. And in this profile, you will see the last question, did you pay interest on student loan? You will click yes to it, then next. And here you will enter how much interest you paid in 2020. If you are claiming interest for any other year, you will enter in this respective year field that will be added to your return. That's how you will claim interest on student loan while using TaxTron Web application.